Lavishlee. Today we're going to Disney World!
Harper, we're going to Disney World. Are you ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Yeah, tell everybody I'm ready.
Yes. I love the safari.
You guys got to get mad at her if she doesn't go on the roller coaster.
Be mad at me all day.
You can rush.
I don't care.
Cheyenne said she's riding a roller coaster for the first time in her life.
First time today.
Let me see your outfits, girls. Let me see.
You're not gonna get it.
Let's see, Ryder. You guys look so cute. All right, you guys, we have arrived. Here's Jimmy, our VIP tour guy. I'll give you guys $100 if you can guess which one's Zach. There he is.
You ready, Harper? Yeah. Everybody back there ready? Let's go. Y'all ready?
Mickey Mouse?
It's great to see you.
All right, you guys ready to ride? Are you guys ready for Winnie the Pooh? All right, my guy Jimmy is taking us. We're going.
Don't worry about scanning. I'll take care of all the scanning. You're just gonna follow.
Okay, thank you. All right, you guys. You ready, bro?
Let's go.
You ready?
Let's go, Ace. Yes, sir.
Let's go, Shy. Let's go, Shy. First ride. First ride. First ride ever. All right, you guys. We're up there. All right, see you guys at the end. See ya.
Ooh, that feels good.
I can do this ride again.
I know, right? Can we just go around again?
You ready, bro? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Are you ready, Harper? Chapter 11. Say hi, Winnie.
He'll never reach that tree.
Whoa. Can you see all the colors, Harper? Yeah. All done. You did it. Look, we're all done. We did it.
Remember, we go up Princess Ride? No? It's fun. Emmy, where are we going? Princesses? Princess who? Tiana? Yep. You guys go walk in there. You guys hold each other's hand. It's the princesses! Noemi, Ryder, who is it? It's the princess? Tiana?
Look at all of you. I love that you're matching. Come on over.
Harper, let me see your fan.
Can we have your fan?
Oh, we're playing hide and seek together. No, he's around.
Righty, turn around.
Thank you.
Oh, look at Ace.
Ace.
He's like, I'm gonna marry a princess one day. Harper, get a picture with sister. Okay.
Harper, look. Harper, Noemi, look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Come on, Harper.
She wants her fan back. Give the girl her fan. You guys got your autographs?
How about Tiana?
Yes.
Got you all covered for Tiana.
Look. You guys ready for Tiana? Hang on to your autographs. Harper and Ace are bullies.
Ryan, let him go. Let him go.
Oh, I think you want to hold on to that. Yeah, trust.
He's literally like the scared.
Ryan, stand back there and take a picture for us, okay?
I think you gotta stop right here. All right, babe, where are we going?
All right, we're headed to the parade. So
Parade?
we got a special spot first. Since you have an escort, we're going right up these stairs.
We're
Are you
going
ready?
right up there, VIP style.
VIP style.
You girls ready?
You ready? You gonna see
Have a better view.
a better view.
Like bells.
Oh, you guys are so special. Hi. Ryder said, yeah, we're going up here because we get a better view.
Oh, gosh. We have these little ones. They're
Spoiled,
not
rotten,
anything.
normal ever in their life.
Be back for all their
Hi. Woo.
Help yourselves and you can
Popcorn. Yeah. And water. What do you say, Emmy? What do you say, Ryder? You want popcorn, Harpy? Popcorn? There you go. Water. All right, you guys ready to see the parade? All right, we're headed into Adventureland.
And a lot of people ask me, why do you call it that? Well, if you stare into that rushing, gushing water long enough. Smile. And, oh wow, guys, look at African bear. I love that. Not as you like there's an Okapi bear. Guess we couldn't find the original. Some stripy horsey.
Where are we going?
To Splash Mountain.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this your first time? Yeah? Uh-oh. Big Noemi. Big birthday girl. Here we go. Y'all ready? We out here. You ready? Yeah? All right, let's have some fun. I know, right? You ready? Yep. There we go. There's Magic Kingdom. Was it fun? Yeah. Are you all wet? Let's go. Small world.
You ready, Harpy? Yeah. Here we go. Woo! Harper, are you ready? Yeah? You ready? Are you guys ready?
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song.
She's focused. Even Ace is like focused over there.
Your smile is fading with the rain. We known each other for so long. And I know you struggle.
You like it, Harpy? Yeah?
To make this hard to last. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. We got that memory, bad memories of the past. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up.
Right there.
Actually, that's me.
Yeah.
That's me and Cheyenne.
So much harder now to reach you.
Noemi, where we going?
Going on Peter Pan.
Peter Pan's flight? Yep. Are you ready? You ready, Harper? Will you ride the parachute? Let's go.
Hop in. Woo! Where are we going, girls? Peter Pan? Here we go. Wait, hold on. He'll help. Good, thank you. Woo! You guys ready? Yeah. You did? We're flying in the sky.
All right, Harper, you ready for Dumbo? Dumbo. We're headed to Dumbo, you guys. We're beat though. We are beat, but we are here. We are doing it. Say hi.
Say hi to Dumbo.
Hi, Dumbo.
Say hi to Dumbo.
Hi, Dumbo. Harper, are you ready for Dumbo? Say hi, Dumbo. Let's go, Dumbo. Let's go. You guys ready? Whee! Whee! Ryder, Andy, say hi. Harper, you're ready. Whee! All right, Noemi, you ready? You ready? All right, let's do it. And we're going up. We're going up. Okay, you ready? Here we go. had a good time?
Yeah.
That was fun? You did a good job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
Okay, fireworks show
Wanna
just
laugh and wanna cry.
knocked
I
out.
don't wanna waste my time.
Did you like the show, Emmy?
Baby, we should
Yes,
start
we like the
living
show, Ryder.
now.
2 out of 3. I mean, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4. Only one alive right now is Emmy way down there. Can't even get her.
Thank you for watching my YouTube video at Disney World. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!